Ethan found the typewriter at a garage sale, its keys stained with a dark, sticky residue. He felt a chill as he typed his first words. They came from the shadows, whispering my name. The air thickened, a musty smell wrapping around him like a shroud. Each day, as he penned his stories, shadows flickered just beyond his vision, their whispers a sinister lullaby. One night, a figure emerged, a gaunt man with eyes like voids. Panic surged as Ethan realized his words had summoned this creature. Desperate, he typed furiously to reverse the spell. But with each stroke, more figures appeared, their laughter echoing through his empty home. He was trapped in a horror of his own making, forever haunted by the nightmares he unleashed.